two words that describe a linear correlation. Well, obviously it's negative. I'm looking at the points, they're very, very close to the straight line, so it's strong negative. The equation line of best fit is blah blah. Given that m equals this, find the value of b. Oh, ln m. Well, so we've got ln a multiplied b to the power t equals negative 0.12t plus 4.67. So we've got, actually no, scrap that. So we've got ln m equals this. Using log changing. Oh, here we go. Here. We know ln means log base e, so we can say that e to the power negative 0.12t plus 4.67 equals m. If m is equal to this, then we've got an e, a base e with two different things added together. We know that when we have the same base and we add our powers, it means that those things are being multiplied. So it's e to the negative 0.2t multiplied by e to the 4.67. Let me just clarify that again. So when we have this statement here, e multiplied by e, because it's the same base, we would add our powers. So we can split this into these two separate things. So given this here, we've got a multiplied b by b to the t. This expression here must be the b to the t. Oh, this is the 1, 2, sorry. And so b to the power t would mean that if this e to the negative 0.12t equals b to the power t, it means that b is e to the power negative 1.2, 0.12, sorry. Hopefully we're happy with that. Because b to the power t means you would multiply your powers, which means where the t came from. Yeah, hoping you'll be fine with that. Okay, next one. Geometric sequence, the fourth term is 8 times the first term. So, u4 equals 8 lots of u1. The sum of the first 10 terms, so S10 is 2557.5. We need to find the 10th term. So, it's a geometric sequence. So, U4, looking at our formula. Here we go, geometric sequence. So U4 would be U1 R to the power 3, and U1 is obviously just U1. Okay, so we know that U4, this, U1 equals, bottoms, U1 R to the 3 is equal to 8 lots of U1. Well, we've got U1 on both sides, so that means that R cubed is 8, which means R must be 2. Okay, so we found R, and we know that the sum of the first 10 terms is that, so we're looking at now the sum formula for geometric sequence. So we want this version here because r is not a fraction. So we know that u1 2 to the power n minus 1 over 2 minus 1 equals 2557.5. So that's u1 brackets 2 to the n minus 1 equals 2557.5. And what am I doing? We know n is 10, Yanana. So u1 bracket 2 to the 10 minus 1 equals 2557.5. So u1 is 2557.5 divided by 2 to the 10. Take away 1. I guess we could find that value, but it's probably a tiny one. So then we're going to go back to the formula. So, what do we need to find? The 10th term. So we need to find u10. So it's u1 multiplied by r to the power of 10 minus 1. This one here. So 10 minus 1 is the power 9. So we've got all of this. I don't want to write it again. Multiplied by 2 to the power 9. So I'm going to stick that in my calc. So alpha y equals 2557.5 over 2 to the power 10, take away 1, multiplied by 2 to the power 9, gives us 1280.